China's new battery breakthrough. The power revolution we've been waiting for. In a world obsessed with mega projects, whether it's futuristic skyscrapers, flying cars, or 100-kilometer-long linear cities in the Saudi Arabian desert, there's a quieter yet equally transformative technological frontier often overlooked: batteries. While these massive eye-catching projects steal the headlines, fundamental innovations like improving battery technology have the potential to reshape our everyday lives in much more significant ways. One of the most intriguing developments in recent years has been the potential breakthrough in battery technology announced by scientists in China. A team from the Chinese Academy of Sciences recently revealed a new water-based battery that could potentially revolutionize how we think about energy storage. But what makes this battery special? And could it really change the world? Let's dive into these questions and explore what this discovery could mean for our future. What are batteries like? Today, before diving into China's new innovation, it's helpful to understand the basics of how most batteries work today. The majority of the rechargeable batteries we use, whether in cars, smartphones, or laptops, are lithium-ion batteries. In simple terms, lithium-ion batteries work by using two pockets of stored lithium, referred to as the anode and cathode, separated by a barrier that allows ions to move between them. When you charge your device, lithium ions move from the cathode to the anode, and when you use your device, they move back to the cathode. This movement of lithium ions releases electrons, which power your device. Lithium-ion batteries have been a workhorse for decades, but they're reaching their limits. While they are still improving incrementally year over year, these improvements are small and gradual. The problem is that many of the cutting-edge technologies we dream about, like electric cars with long ranges, drone networks that can cover the globe, and solar-powered cities, require far more energy storage capacity than today's lithium-ion batteries can provide. What are the limitations of lithium-ion batteries? Lithium-ion batteries are already pushing the boundaries of what they can achieve. For example, electric cars can only travel a few hundred miles before needing a recharge, despite the potential for much greater distances with better batteries. Similarly, drone technology has the capacity to deliver the internet to the remotest parts of the world. But current batteries can only keep these drones in the air for limited periods. Even medical implants, which could significantly improve patient care, are restricted by battery life. Imagine having a pacemaker or other medical device inside your body that needs regular battery changes. Beyond these limitations, lithium-ion batteries come with a host of other problems. They can overheat, potentially causing fires or the release of toxic gases. They rely on scarce and expensive materials like cobalt and nickel, which are not only environmentally harmful to mine, but are also contributing to conflicts in countries like the Democratic Republic of the Congo, where much of the world's cobalt is sourced. Moreover, these batteries are difficult to recycle, leading to significant amounts of waste in landfills. Enter the water-based battery. In April 2024, a team of Chinese scientists announced a breakthrough: a water-based, or aqueous, battery that could potentially overcome many of the challenges faced by lithium-ion batteries. According to their research, this new battery design holds almost double the energy capacity of current lithium-ion batteries, measured at 1,200 watt-hours per litre. But what makes this battery different? The key lies in its use of water as part of the chemical reaction that generates electrical energy. Traditional lithium-ion batteries rely on chemical reactions between lithium and other elements, but the Chinese team's new design uses a mixture of iodide, from iodine, and bromide, from bromine. Ions dissolved in water. This water-based design offers several significant advantages over lithium-ion batteries. First, it's much safer. Unlike lithium-ion batteries, which can overheat and catch fire, aqueous batteries are far less likely to experience such dangerous failures. Second, the materials used to make these new batteries, iodine, bromine, cadmium, and vanadium, are more abundant and easier to source than the cobalt and nickel used in traditional batteries. For example, iodine can be harvested from seaweed, and bromine can be extracted from salt lakes around the world, including in countries like the US and China. How does the new battery work? At the heart of this new battery, technology is a chemical reaction that occurs when iodide and bromide ions are dissolved in water. When a current is applied, the iodide ions transform into iodine, which then reacts with bromine to create a mixed halogen electrolyte. This reaction releases a much larger number of free electrons compared to a standard lithium-ion battery, effectively boosting the battery's energy storage capacity. Additionally, the researchers used specially designed anodes made from cadmium and vanadium, which help to further increase the battery's efficiency. These anodes allow for faster movement of ions and electrons, improving both the power output and the lifespan of the battery. Why does this matter? The potential applications of this new battery are enormous. Let's start with electric vehicles. One of the biggest challenges facing the electric vehicle industry today is range anxiety. The fear that a car won't have enough battery life to reach its destination without stopping to recharge. With this new battery technology, electric cars could potentially double their range, making them far more practical for long-distance travel. Imagine an electric car that can travel 600 miles or more on a single charge. Similarly, this new battery could have a huge impact on renewable energy storage. One of the biggest challenges with renewable energy sources, like wind and solar, is storing the energy for use when the sun isn't shining or the wind isn't blowing. With more efficient, higher-capacity batteries, it becomes much easier to store energy from renewable sources and use it to power homes and businesses when needed. In addition, smaller personal devices like smartphones, tablets, and laptops could benefit from longer-lasting batteries. Gone would be the days of constantly searching for charging outlets or carrying bulky power banks. As exciting as this breakthrough is, there are still challenges ahead. For one, these new batteries have only been tested in the laboratory. It's one thing to achieve great results in a controlled environment, but another to replicate those results in the real world. Before this technology can be widely adopted, it needs to undergo further testing and verification by other researchers and institutions. There's also the question of cost. While the materials used in this battery design are more abundant than those in lithium-ion batteries, we don't yet know how much it will cost to manufacture these batteries at scale. If they turn out to be too expensive, it could slow down their adoption. Lastly, there's the issue of global geopolitics. China, where this breakthrough was made, is already a major player in the battery industry, producing the majority of the world's lithium-ion batteries. If this new battery design proves to be as revolutionary as it appears, it could further cement China's dominance in the global energy storage market. The discovery of this water-based battery represents a significant step forward in the ongoing race to develop better energy storage solutions. If the results from the lab can be replicated in the real world, and if the cost of production can be kept reasonable, this technology could have far-reaching implications for industries ranging from electric vehicles to renewable energy. As we look to the future, it's clear that batteries will continue to play a crucial role in shaping our world. Whether we're talking about smartphones, electric cars, or massive renewable energy grids, the ability to store energy efficiently and safely is essential. And with this new battery breakthrough from China, we may be on the verge of a true energy revolution. In the end, it's the quiet, fundamental innovations, like a new type of battery, that have the power to change the world in ways we can't even fully imagine yet. While the flashy mega projects will continue to grab the headlines, it's these types of discoveries that really make the world go round,